Good evening. Welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. At least one licensed industrial fisher is calling for stricter penalties against poaching this evening. General Manager of Rainforest Seafood, Jerome Miles, says the current legislation just doesn't have enough teeth.
The way the law is written now, you see, you get 90 days or $1 million. You just spend the 90 days. You just lock up 100 fishermen for 90 days. Even though our jails are not known to be nice, they're probably nicer than being on a boat, because those boats have 100 men and a 75-foot vessel that stay on it for 2 months.
He says enforcement of the law is also a problem.
The breakers of these rules where it hurts. If you don't have a boat, you cannot fish.
Now, Mr. Miles was speaking ahead of a conch ban which took effect last Friday. The Ministry of Fisheries decided on the ban after research showed that overfishing had depleted the island's conch resource. Mayberry Jamaica Equities has released financials showing profits of $816,000. That's down from the $3.1 million which was made in the previous year. Currency trading ended today with the greenback now selling for $127.93. The Canadian dollar today sold for $96.28. The pound sterling is now going for $167.06, while the euro closed the day at $145.99. Now, stocks ended mostly lower today, pulling down both the JSE and the junior market index. The JSE index lost 386 points, while the junior market index shed 39 points. The top performers of the day included Kingston Properties, Berger Paints, 1834 Investments, Elite Diagnostics, and Main Event Entertainment. On the losing end were T-Tech, Jamaican Teas, Jetcon, Lasco Manufacturing, and Dolphin Cove. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.